Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm going to give you guys the Stellar Lite Funding Challenge honest review. As you can see, we're on Trustpilot, and the first one says that, hey, I've been trading in Funded for a long time. My total withdrawal was 43k, and he was successful in Funded, but they closed his account, which included 2 real accounts, and he cannot no longer work in Fund because they said the risk should not be higher than 1%, but it is not mentioned anywhere. And then yeah, there's a lot of positive reviews, but if we just go back into filter and then look for the 1-star reviews, we can see they have 1,000 1-star reviews. So let's go ahead and check out all of this. As you can see, they also say it's a scam because they said that they were doing copy trading, but this person was not doing copy trading. As you can see, they are a verified user, so it's not someone randomly who put this up. He used a 300% refund coupon, but they never paid them. As you can see, they're gonna waste your time and money, everything like that, and they canceled their account because they said they're doing copy trading. As you can see, there's a lot of copy trading people who got their accounts closed, or scam, or just inefficient, things like that. So yeah, if it detects slight changes in your account, it might flag that as copy trading and not pay you anything, which sucks, and close your account. So yeah, if you have to go for something, I would say go for a better option. But this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.